Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today with our February 2024 block of the month. This month we are continuing on, as I shared last month. All of the blocks for this year will have an outer sawtooth star with an inner block. Last month our inner block was a fun little piece star, and this month it's an antique basket block. And I have to show you my little 8-inch version. Remember, this year we're sewing along in 2 sizes. You can make the 8-inch size finished or the 16-inch finished size. And I just want to remind you that the pattern instructions for the outer sawtooth star sections in both blocks are on your January pattern. So be sure to hang on to that January pattern if you're going to make those star units each month. You'll notice that on the front of the pattern, it shows you that we have the outer star, and then the center will be the monthly block part. So be sure to refer to the January pattern, and if you don't have that, we'll have a link to that post, and you can just go back and download that. And so from here on out, the patterns will just be for the center block. So you can see that the pattern for February is just for the center basket portion. So I just wanted to make that clear. And I also want to let you know that Strawberry Lemonade has shipped. I know a lot of you were waiting to start your blocks until you could get this fabric that I'm using, and it's out there. Contact your favorite local or online quilt shop to find it. And let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you more details about this month's block. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the February block of the month, which, continuing with our theme for the year with a large outer sawtooth star and something different in the middle. This month we have little antique baskets, and these were really fun to make. They actually go together super quickly. I actually kind of think I like my little red and pink basket the best, but this one was fun too. And I did get a lot of comments and emails. A lot of you love the larger block size. That was so fun to get that feedback. And a lot of you asked if I was going to make my outer stars all the same or do them different. And you can see that I decided to do them differently. So this was my January block and February. And so I went with completely different prints for my blocks. Just want to show you the back. Might be easier to see on the large block, but this 4 patch in the middle, I did go ahead and flip the seam, and then you make just 2 flying geese units. So one of them is right here, one of them is right here, and the rest of the block is really simple. It's just a square and a square, and a rectangle and a rectangle, and then 2 more half square triangles. So it kind of looks like you have more half square triangles, but these 2 units are actually flying geese units. So this is a really, really fun block to put together. I did go ahead and just use the tone on tone. This is actually from one of our earlier collections that I used, because when I started sewing, my Strawberry Lemonade yardage wasn't here yet. But I do want to tell you, I'm happy to say that the Strawberry Lemonade fabric and yardage and pre-cuts, everything has shipped. And it's here now, and I would definitely go ahead and get it. If you need to get fabrics, I would go ahead and get it while it's available, because I believe one of the prints has already sold out. I went on the website, and this red gingham is not available anymore. So if you love that red gingham print, I would get it wherever you can find it, because it's gone from the warehouse already. So just the day that my fabric arrived, it was already sold out. I do want to show you one other thing about this collection, just to verify. When you purchase the bundle or any of the pre-cuts, you don't get our hexagon flower cheater print. And so that is available separately. I'm actually going to put it up on the table. Okay, so this is our hexagon flower cheater print. It might be one of my favorite fabrics of all time. I love it because it's 60 inches wide and it's so easy to use for backings. I also love it just because it's super cute. But again, this is a great option for your backing for this quilt. I know a lot of you are sewing with Strawberry Lemonade, and so I would suggest getting this now while it's available. I actually bought a couple bolts of this just for myself, just to keep in my closet so I can use it for backings on quilts for quite a while. So yeah, if you're looking for this, you should be able to find it at your favorite quilt shop now. If they got the Strawberry Lemonade collection, they should also have this, and it should be pretty widely available, but I would go ahead and get it now. So that's it for the January block. I'm just going to show the blocks together one more time. That's it for the February block. I'm going to show you, this is our January block, and this is our February block, and really hope you love this quilt and really appreciate all of the kind emails and comments. Okay, so that's it for the February 2024 Quilting Like Life block of the month. Again, thank you so much for all the positive feedback on the bigger blocks. It's been a while since I've shared a larger block pattern for my yearly quilt along. And I hope you're having fun sewing. I'll see you on the first Monday in March with block number 3. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.